Over 100 years ago, at the start of the 20th century, a remarkable man made a remarkable discovery. This man was René Quinton. His research identified the extraordinary similarities between the composition of our body's internal fluids and oceanic water. His pioneering marine plasma therapies drew upon the significant bioavailable salts, minerals, trace elements, and natural compounds of this marine plasma. His treatments operated on the principle that the internal environment of the body, correct nutrition and renewal of cells, determine the overall health of the body. His innovative work and clinics saved countless thousands of lives and made him both a respected and famous figure right across Europe. This video will explain his pioneering work and how scientists from all over the world continue to study and develop his work in the 21st century. Within certain areas of the oceans, there are natural, rich blooms of plankton. Here, the synergistic effect of the various plankton concentrates and releases a nutrient-rich mix of bioactive materials, including at least 78 minerals and trace elements in a naturally balanced bioavailable form. These are harvested and filtered to produce the only natural mineral supplement in the world to fully nourish your cells. This product is Quinton. Whilst it may not surprise evolutionary biologists, who have long proposed that all mammalian life started in the oceans, the remarkably close correlation between the mineral balance of seawater and that of human cellular fluids seems astonishing to most of us. However, this correlation has profound implications for the way that we nourish our cells and treat our bodies. We get a sense of the significance to cellular health in some laboratory experiments performed on human blood cells. Red blood cells which are cultured in isotonic Quinton show very little signs of damage even after 4 days. In comparison, cultures in either isotonic saline or medical-grade isotonic solution show rapid and continual degradation. Similarly, white blood cells, responsible for fighting infections within the body, show vigorous immune response when cultured in isotonic Quinton, but largely fail in both isotonic saline and medical-grade isotonic solutions, which are ironically a regular part of life support systems in modern medicine. The cell's DNA is made up of sequences of nucleotides in groupings that constitute our genes. These both determine our characteristics and code for functional proteins crucial to life. DNA must copy itself accurately during cell replication and division, and its transcription must be absolutely accurate, or else the functional proteins won't work as they should. When less than perfect, the cumulative effect of even minute cellular level changes on the whole body can compromise health and lead to illness. Nutrigenetics studies the effect of nutrition on DNA expression. It has been shown that as many as 64 minerals and trace elements are crucial for correct gene function. Quinton contains 78 bioavailable minerals and trace elements in perfect harmony. There are complex interactions between all the minerals required by your cells. It is important to understand that each element is reliant on others. Your body's cells need them all in the right proportions. Even apparently toxic elements such as arsenic, lead, and mercury are needed in tiny amounts to make your cells function correctly. The interdependency wheel clearly demonstrates the complex interactions between just a few of the common minerals required by your cells for a healthy body. For example, selenium, Se, is important for both your heart and muscle function, but it won't work correctly without lead, zinc, titanium, cadmium, magnesium, tin, manganese, silver, fluorine, copper, and iron. Iron, Fe, is vital for the transport of oxygen in blood and is required by many enzymes. but it won't work correctly without copper, manganese, magnesium, cadmium, zinc, lead, phosphorus, mercury, calcium, and chromium. Similarly, magnesium, Mg, is essential for nerve and muscle function and has an important role in preventing cramp, but it won't work correctly without its associated minerals. Manganese, Mn, is involved in energy metabolism, but it won't work correctly without the minerals that it is dependent upon. And zinc, Zn, supports immunity to resist colds and flu, etc., and the activity of over 100 enzymes, but it won't work correctly unless its associated minerals are present. Day to day, the levels of essential elements, minerals, and micronutrients in your body fluctuate. This is perfectly normal. Having understood the complex web of dependencies between the elements necessary for cell health, it may be thought that simply taking multi-mineral supplements will correct this. However, at a cellular level, the body requires minerals in a bioavailable form. Most modern mineral supplements are mineral-based. Whilst plants are good at absorbing elements from mineral fragments, human bodies are not. Unless minerals are presented in a bioavailable form, not only will they fail to be absorbed correctly, they may simply force your body to waste energy and other resources to collect and excrete them. The 78 electrolytes present in Quinton effectively correct the balance of these minerals within your cells, amplifying their action on hydration and metabolism. The latest scientific research estimates that the human body has over 37 trillion cells. You need 78 minerals and trace elements to feed each of these cells. You need healthy cells to have a healthy body. Cell nutrition is more complex than you think. Quinton makes it easy. Cellnutrition. Passionate about nutrition for your cells.